You've probably heard of a temporary restraining order bond, but never really found out what it's all about. Here's your practical guide to temporary restraining order bonds. A temporary restraining order bond provides protection to a defendant against possible loss should the court rule that a temporary restraining order was illegal or unnecessary in the litigation. How does it work? There are three parties involved in the issuance of a temporary restraining order bond. The plaintiff is the principal. The court is the obligee. And finally, the surety bond provider is the surety. How does a temporary restraining order bond differ with an injunction bond? A temporary restraining order serves the same purpose as an injunction order, except that a TRO provides a limited period of relief. There are also jurisdictions where a TRO is not available to parties involved in litigation. Both bonds also allow the defendant to be indemnified against any damage as a result of the TRO requested by the plaintiff. There are three distinct areas that distinguish TROs and preliminary injunctions. Number 1, the notice. Number 2, the duration of the injunction. And number 3, the scope of the hearing. Is collateral needed for this bond? Broadly speaking, most civil bonds are required to be fully collateralized, which can come in two forms. Number 1, wire transfer of funds to our collateral account. Or, number 2, an irrevocable letter of credit from a bank. Here is a sample scenario where a temporary restraining order bond is needed. Food giant Matlock is suing Pure Gold Food International of copyright infringement for allegedly marketing a similar product it has been selling to the market for several years now. Matlock also accused Pure Gold of packaging the product almost identical to its own. Before a permanent injunction against Pure Gold is secured, Matlock decided to ask the court to issue a temporary restraining order against its competitor to stop it from marketing, distributing, advertising, and selling the said product. Matlock has presented sufficient evidence that without the TRO, the continued sale, marketing, distribution, and advertising of the said product could result in irreparable damage to its company and reputation. Because Pure Gold is expected to also incur damage from the TRO, the court will require Matlock to pay a TRO bond to give Pure Gold a guarantee of indemnification should the copyright infringement case be dismissed by the court. If you need a temporary restraining bond, you can count on Surety Bond Authority. Call us at 800-333-7800 or visit our website at www.suretybondauthority.com and get your free quote today.